Hello everyone, welcome to the chapter 3rd of a Principles of Digital Electronics, that is combinational circuits, and in this video we are going to learn the parity checker using XOR. Let's see the XOR gate parity checker. So here, after generating the parity, odd parity with the new binary number with an odd parity, so this will be 4-bit combination, this parity bit, then B2, B1 and B0. So this will be applied to the parity checker circuit, and here we get the output whether that parity is given with that number is right or not. That means if it is even parity, then it will be generate error. So here is the parity check output, that is parity error output, PEO. So to check this parity, we have an input. Now we have a 4 inputs, that is P, B2, B1 and B0. Now our output is this PEO, that is parity error output. Okay, PEO. These are the inputs and this is the output. So here are the different combinations for this 4-bit input are 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1, then 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 and 1 1 1 1. So okay, these are the different combinations of this 4 input. Now we have to check the when this parity error output will be 1. So if we get this first input, that is 0 0 0, and in a parity checker we have in generator we have already generated the parity bit with a odd parity. So here the number of ones are 0, that means it is an even parity, so it will generate the error. So it will show the output 1, that means here is the error. Then if this input will be checked by this parity checker, so here the number of ones are odd, so it is the odd parity, so there is no error, so it will generate the 0. Check the next input, so here the number of ones, again it is odd, so no error. For this number of inputs, number of ones are even, so error will be generated. Here number of 1 is odd, so no error. Here number of ones are 2, that is even, so error will be generated. Then here for the next, again number of ones are 2, that is even, so error will be generated. Here number of ones are odd, so no error will be generated. Here no error will be generated. For this number of ones are 2, that is even, so error will be generated. For this error will be generated. For this number of ones are odd, so no error generated. For this error will be generated. Number of ones are odd, so no error will be generated. And here again no error, and for this last 4 number of ones, that is even, so error will be generated. So here we get the output for this parity checker. Now construct the K map for this PEO with this 4 inputs. So we will get the equation for the parity checker. So here plot the K map. Inputs are P, B2, and here are B1, B0, B1, B0, B1, B0 and B1, B0 bar. Now we have to plot the PEO output on this K map. So here check where is the PO output are 1. So for this first combination it is 1. So it is 1 over here. Then for this combination that is 0 0 1 1, that means P bar B2 bar B1 B0. Here it is 1. Then third one is P bar B2 B1 bar B0. So it is 1. That means over here. Next is here. That is P bar B2 B1 B0 bar. So over here. The next is here P B2 bar B1 bar B0 and P B2 bar B1 B0 bar. So we get here and here, and this last two, that is 1 1 0 0. So here 1 1 sorry, this will be over here, and for this 1 1 0 0 and here 1 1 1 1. So here we will get the ones. So plot the zeros in rest of the cell. Again, no grouping is possible. So find the equation for this single ones. So for PEO we get P bar B1 bar B2 bar B1 bar B0 bar plus for this P bar B2 bar B1 B0 plus for this P bar B2 B1 bar B0 plus for this P bar B2 plus B1 B0 bar plus for this P B2 B1 bar B0 bar plus P B2 B1 B0, and this last one P B2 bar B1 bar B0 plus P B2 bar B1 B0 bar. So here again we can take common P bar from this P bar B2 bar from these two pairs, then P bar B2 from these two and P B2 from these two, and here P B2 bar and from these two pairs. So let's write the equation. So we get P bar B2 bar. So here we get B1 bar B0 plus B1 B0. Then from this we can take common P bar B2 B1 bar B0 plus B1 B0 bar. From the third pair we can take common P B2. So we get B1 bar B0 bar plus B1 B0 plus from this we get P2 bar common. So we get B1 bar B0 plus B1 B0 bar. So here from these two pairs we can take common this B1 bar B0 and this. So here we can take common B1 bar B0 bar plus B1 B0, and we get here this P bar B2 bar plus P B2, and from this 2 we get common B1 bar B0 plus B1 B0 bar. So here we get P2 bar B2 plus P2 B2 bar. So this is nothing but the XNOR operation. So we can write over here, this is B1 is XORed with B0 bar. This is nothing but the XNOR operation. So here we can write P is XNORed with B2. And here we can write this is XOR operation. B1 XORed with B0. And here P2 is XORed with B2. So here we can write these are the XNOR operation. So this is the A bar, B bar, AB. So we can write here P is XORed with B2 is XORed with B1 XORed with B0, and it is bar. So this is the required equation for the parity checker. So here we get the P and B2 XOR operation, B1 and B0 XOR operation, and between these two terms we have a XNOR operation. So we can draw the circuit as first XOR gate that will XOR the P and B2, and second XOR gate that will XOR. So here this is the second term, this will XOR the B1 and B0. Now for these two terms we have a XNOR operation. So put here the XNOR gate. So we get at the output, this is, here we get P XORed with B2, and here we get B1 XORed with B0, and this is the XNOR operation. So here P XORed with B2, it is XNORed with B1 XORed with B0. So here we get the parity checker using XOR gate.